Welcome to this quick and simple full body Vinyasa yoga flow, great for any time of the day when you need a little energy boost. No props needed for this practice, so when you are ready to start, meet me in mountain pose at the top of the mat. Position your feet hip distance apart, stand up nice and tall, reach up through the crown of your head, and make a few big circles with your shoulders. Roll your shoulders back. One more big circle. And then interlace fingers behind your back, squeeze your shoulder blades, lift up through the chest. Breathe into your chest, rib cage, belly. Take one more big inhale. And exhale. Release your hands next to your body. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, bend over your legs. Release your fingertips down to the mat or to your shins and walk your feet out on spot, bending and straightening the legs one by one. Straighten the legs. Inhale, pull your chest forward, come halfway up. Exhale, plant your hands down, step back into tabletop position, lower your knees underneath your hips, and flow through a few rounds of cat and cow. On inhale, arch your back, lift your heart. Exhale, press the floor away and pull your navel in. Flow with your breath, mobilizing and warming up the spine. One more round. Inhale. Exhale. And come back to neutral spine. Circle your shoulders over your wrists, moving in one direction a few times. Warming up the wrists. And change direction, a few more circles to the other side. Bring your body back to center. Tuck your toes under, straighten the legs, lift the knees into plank, and then press your hips back and up, downward facing dog. Keep your heels lifted, we will flow here. On the inhale, roll forward into high plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, press back into downward facing dog. Inhale into plank, shift your weight forward. Exhale, press back. One more time, inhale for plank. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. With inhale, bend your knees, look forward between your hands. Exhale, step or walk to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway up, pull your chest forward. Exhale, fold down. With inhale, raise up, reach your arms up to the ceiling. Exhale, palms together to your heart. We will flow through a variation of sun salutation, so pay attention here. With inhale, lift your arms, lean slightly back into the back bend. Exhale, sweep your arms down, forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend, flat back. Exhale, step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, knees down, lower down to the belly. Point your feet, press the feet down. Inhale, lift the chest for cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take one big breath in and a full slow breath out. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, step, walk or jump. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, raise up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. 2 more rounds. Inhale, lift your heart, look up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, pull your chest forward. Exhale, palms down, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale to the belly or chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take one big breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, gaze between your hands. Exhale, come to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, raise up, stretch up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Last round. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, pull your chest forward, shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, halfway down or all the way down. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, downward dog. One breath in and out. Inhale, bend the knees to prepare. Exhale to the top of the mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, raise up, stretch your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Find a gazing point down on the floor. Shift weight into your right foot and lift your left knee up towards your chest. Take one more inhale, lift your knee a little higher. Exhale, warrior 3, lean your torso forward, straighten your left leg back. Standing leg and stay slightly bent. Take one more breath. And step your left foot back into lunge. Adjust the distance between your feet, find your balance. And we will flow. With inhale, reach your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, lean your torso forward, extend your arms back. Inhale, stretch your arms up, high lunge. Exhale, torso forward, arms back. One more round. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, warrior 2. Release your back heel down. Extend your arms in line with the shoulders. Flip your front palm to face up. Inhale, lean back, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle, right forearm on the side, left arm stretches over the head. With inhale, come back to warrior 2. Exhale, palms down, step back into downward facing dog. Take a break here or flow through a vinyasa. Inhale forward into plank. Exhale to the belly or chaturanga. Inhale cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale downward facing dog. Inhale to prepare. Exhale step, walk or jump forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold down. Raise up with inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Shift weight into your left foot, find your gazing point, and lift your right knee up towards your chest. Inhale, pull your knee closer to the chest. Exhale, lean your torso forward, stretch your right arm back, find your warrior 3. Stay for one more big breath. And gently step your right foot back into lunge. Adjust your feet, find a stable stance. And let's flow. Inhale, reach your arms up, maybe lean back slightly. Exhale, lean forward, arms reach back. Inhale, stretch up, lift up through the heart. Exhale, lean forward. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, high lunge, arms reach up. Exhale, warrior 2, arms out to the sides. Press your feet down, stay active with your legs. Flip your left palm up. Inhale, reverse warrior, lean back. Exhale, side angle, forearm on the side, right arm reaches over the head. Inhale, back to warrior 2. Exhale, palms down, downward facing dog. Again, stay here or take a vinyasa, your choice. You can always skip vinyasas if you feel like you need a little break. Inhale in downward facing dog and exhale, come to the top of the mat. Halfway up, inhale. Fall down, exhale. Inhale, raise up, look up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Feet together or hip distance for chair. Bend the knees, sit your hips back and down. Take one more inhale here. And with exhale, twist to the right, hook your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Press your knee and elbow against each other. Lift your chest up towards your thumbs. Inhale to come back to center. And exhale, change sides, twist to the left. Come back to chair. Keep your knees bent. Inhale, just lift your arms. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step back to downward facing dog. Stay here or take last vinyasa. Inhale, forward into plank. Exhale, halfway or all the way down. Inhale for a back bend. And exhale, downward dog. Take a big inhale. And with exhale, release your knees down. Find your child's pose with knees together or wide apart. Arms can reach forward or back. Give your body a moment of rest. Release your breath and let it come back to its natural rhythm. Slowly lift your upper body, sit up on your heels. Keep your eyes closed for another moment. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Thank yourself for showing up on your mat today, for taking good care of your body and mind. Put a smile on your face and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick class. Have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye!